Hello guys, welcome and welcome back. Today we'll be taking down these fans right here. As you can see, it's getting a little bit rusty and it's kind of like hanging a little bit. We actually have one and two right here. We're replacing these with these Hunter brand ceiling fans right here. They're pretty good. They come with lights and all that. And make sure you always, if it's outside, make sure it's for outside. Because like the rain and the different weathers can damage it if it ain't for outside.
So what are you doing here, boss?
Here we are taking all the wires off, the caps. We can go ahead and get started.
So cap removal. Make sure you turn off the electricity.
Yes, that's first thing first. Hit the breaker. Electricity is off. If you have a no-touch electricity tester, you want to make sure you use that.
Yeah. You know, in a safer way you use gloves, but at this point we have no gloves today. As you guys see, it's rusted right here around the blade, around the area. He's like actually in there. Trying to remove all capsules.
This one is just like basically just sitting on there. So you just pick it up. Oh, there you go. You can see it's all rusted out, so it's been here for a little minute.
Yeah, been here since 1987.
Oh, right here, we're just gonna go ahead and take the plate off.
And how you move the plate?
Oh, look, see, this screw is a little small. You always want to use a screw a little bit bigger. You know what I mean? Size don't really matter here in this predicament. Where's the ground? Yeah, it's pretty dusty.
Now what you gotta do now?
Just a flat right here, so there's no ground. See one. Oh wait, this is all right, so now we just go ahead and start unboxing and we're ready to put the new one up. All right, so here we have all the parts. We have the mount here. We have the screws for the wings. We have 2 light bulbs. You can use your own. This will be the main part, the motor and stuff. This will be what holds the light bulbs. You can see here it has this hook up here. That'll hook up right onto there, and that'll work the lights and the fan and stuff. Then you also have your whatever these called right here. These are the little strings right here. You have some covers. This you can also like get a longer extension from like Home Depot or whatnot. See, they added this small one right here. They also make the wire a little bit extra long. Now we're just gonna go ahead and attach it right onto there. So you got 2 hooks here. They got one hole here and one here. Some may have 2 options, like a hole like right around here and then another one there. But yeah, you just pretty much attach the mount right onto it with the screws. You may need to use washers, you may not, but either way, make sure once you put everything on there, make sure it's nice and sturdy, it doesn't go nowhere. All right, so next step will be cutting this wire here. You want to make sure you always cut it to length. So what you do, you want to put this on here, you screw that into here, and then you'll kind of like see where you want to cut it at. If you want to get like, kind of want to see where you want to cut it at, want to give it at least 2-3 inches out, something like that, however you feel comfortable, and then you'll go from there. All right, now that's attached on there. The wire's coming out. You're also going to need some wire cutters just so you can cut the ends here. And then also they have the small screw here you want to tighten up. Then grab some pliers and just tighten up a little bit tighter. You'll be good. You also want to attach this before you go up there. I mistakenly forgot to do that a couple times. Then you have to retake everything down again. So always make sure you put this on there. Sometimes it also has another cap that goes like towards the bottom, so you always want to put them on there and then go ahead and attach the rest. So now you see you have the blue and the black always go together, or they might have a black, white, and a red. In that case, you'll connect the blue to the red. But as you can see here, The black just goes with the blue, and then you connect it to the black wire, ground, and then your white with the white. Make sure you just stuff them in there so you can lift this up. And there you go. Once you do that, you attach it on there. And then we head on to the next step. Now the next step, once you have that up there, you have it attached, the screws on both sides. So see, this way here, you would just insert these just straight in there, and then just lock them in with screws. Some have like two-sided, like this one has this brown, and then black on the other side. The customer wants this side facing down, so it's always up to them. Now we go ahead and install them on there. All right, so now we have all the wires attached here. We have this attached here. Just basically just goes right into this one, goes right into that one. And then you have two screws up there, and then just stuff everything right back in there. Now you have the two light bulbs, and then that should be it from there. And then also you have this that's just pretty much just going to slide right on there. It's the glass. And then these two right here is to finish off everything. All right, here's the finished work. We have both fans up.
You like that.
And there you go.
You did a good job.